Y'all, these are the mugs that's the hold up for content. And all I gotta say is content coming 10 times harder now. We got the M35 back. I wanted to vlog the whole process, but man, I've had a day today, to say the absolute least. But we got it figured out. Essentially the story. Hold on, I'll tell y'all the story. So the story on what happened. The property where I was working on the M35 at had very strict rules as far as vehicles being there, and I violated those rules, so I'm at fault. I take full responsibility, but we got everything figured out where we can roll forward with content now. I have a new location to finish the build, finish the project, and show y'all the rest of the process as far as the M35 goes. So let's get to it. These are the mugs right here that caught me up. Or better right there. Y'all count y'all days.
What? Tomorrow.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video, and today we are back messing with this piece of junk. Not just playing, it ain't a piece of junk. As you've seen from the last episode, they got me. I don't know why they told it exactly. It looks like it evaporated off. Apparently they said that it didn't start and it was in an abandoned vehicle, but obviously it starts. Y'all seen in the last video. We got all that resolved, so we're just back to getting it up to par, at least to a decent running state, and then possibly selling it. I was going to take the motor out and put it in my other car, but I actually think that I may have figured out what the problem with the other car was, so this will probably be up for sale more than likely. But nevertheless, until we get to that point, we have a couple more things to do. Today I have bought the replacement hoses for the intake because there were leaks everywhere. As you can see, this is ghetto-ly rigged, just enough to get it to start, but I can't sell a car in that condition, so I got the new parts. I'm going to throw those on. I'm going to jack the car up, and I have a few more connectors to plug in, and then I'm going to clean up the wiring harness, just make it look better, look more professional. And yeah, we're just gonna move from there. Let's get started with the video. As you can see here, these are the new jammies. They all nice and polished up compared to the old ones that are rusted to heck and duct tape. You like my hood prop too? The struts went out on it, so I just got my hammer holding it up. I'll probably go ahead and purchase those too, just to make the process of working on it easier. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace these, and y'all come along for the ride. So we got that bad boy installed. If this is something that y'all are following along, just make sure the little notch right there lines up on both sides. It's one on both, so 1 and 2, and then it should literally sit like that in the engine bay and connect right back up with no problems. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen both sides. This side right here, loosen that clamp, and get it installed. So let's do it.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
Right now I'm gonna take some electrical tape and all these little loose points right here on the wiring harness where it's exposed. I'm gonna go ahead and tape it up and make it look all nice. So let's jump into that. So as y'all can see, went ahead and got the harness taped up. There's still a few spots I gotta hit, so I'll hit that off camera, and we're just gonna finish here, tightening up, making this look pretty, and then eventually we're gonna get to the point where we can pressure wash and get all of this dirt off. But nevertheless, we still trucking forward, so let's keep going.